Hi everyone, it's Derek here with GamerBody, and in this video we're going to make it a fun one where we play 3 games of Fortnite, and based on how well I do will be the number of reps I have to do for 3 versions of an exercise. So let's jump right into the video. Alright, so let's quickly cover the rules for this gaming fitness challenge. Today we will be focusing on the push-up exercise and doing a progression of it. So there'll be 3 different versions of push-ups that I will be doing for this challenge. Since it is broken into 3 full games, the first game is the easiest, second game is the middle, the third is the hardest version of the exercise. Going into each game, the places that I will be falling are one of the named cities that's predetermined before actually going there. So I will pick out 3 locations on the map, 1 for each game, and I will fall in that predetermined place right away. And the last rule is that if I do see an enemy player, I have to engage that player. So I either have to run towards them or start shooting at them in order for it to count. I can't just flee and run away if I think that they're better than me. I actually have to engage them even right off the start. Alright, so enough with the rules, let's jump into the gameplay. So in game number 1, I actually ended up getting 4 total kills before I ended up dying. So I actually made it pretty far in this match. I ended up getting 16th place. So for this, I'm going to be doing 16 knee push-ups. Let's jump into the video and see if I have to take any breaks with those 16. In game number 2, we fell into Wailing Woods, but unfortunately I end up dying basically right away. So I fell into where the old maze was in the prior seasons. They've changed it since then, but I fell into that maze, fell down underground, and got shotgun. I guess I actually got SMG'd right away, and I ended up losing pretty quickly, so I ended up in 84th place. This means I'm going to have to go ahead and do 84 normal push-ups, so let's jump into the video, see if I have to take any rests, and do all 84 of them. Alright, now into game 3, I ended up actually getting 5 kills, which for me is actually very good. I'm not the best Fortnite player in the world, I do enjoy it a lot, but 5 kills for me is actually quite something, so that was a pretty good game for me. And I ended up coming in 14th place overall, so we're going to now be doing 14 push-ups with our feet elevated. So let's jump right into that video and see how many rests I have to take, if any, at all. Alright, and that is it for the challenge. So looking over the stats, I ended up getting 9 total kills with, of course, 3 deaths. So that's a 3 KD, which is amazing for me. I actually try and just break even. That's my goal every day, is literally just to break even on kills and deaths. So you can see I actually did a pretty good day here for 3 games. And I ended up doing a total of 114 push-ups, or a variation of the push-up. And that is it for this challenge, and I hope you did enjoy it. Maybe you implement something like this into your play. Every game that you do, you just, whatever place you get, or whatever game you're playing, maybe it's based on like kills and deaths, something like that. You can implement it, stay fit while you're gaming, and have some fun. So I do hope you enjoyed this little fun gaming progression challenge. If you did like this video, please remember to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this. One of these will be coming out each and every week with a different exercise, because I want to make it a more fun channel, just have something lighthearted in there, and also teach you progressions on exercises you may be doing from home or at a gym, and how to make them easier or harder. This way you can really learn how to up your game when it comes to your exercises and really put in the effort to build muscle and make it noticeable over time. Also, don't forget to head over to GamerBody.com, where you can sign up for my email newsletter. By doing so, you'll be sent my 7 cheat codes for building muscle at home. So make sure you go ahead and get those. They're all free, and it's really the principles I live by in order to get in shape. And of course, if you want to work with me one-on-one, which is how you will get the results the fastest, head over to GamerBody.com/apply. Link is in the description. And by doing so, I'll look over the application that you send in, and if I think you are a good fit to work with me one-on-one, we will set up a call and see what I think about you and working with me and really accelerating your results. So go head over there and apply to work with me one-on-one. Alright, and that is it for this video. So again, I hope you did like it. Like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Be fit and game on.